What's up, fellas? My name's Mr. Dusty. I've won 0 national championships, 0 races, got 0 poles, and I haven't even set the fastest lap in a race. And I've decided to race with the best of the best in the XL Series. The whole production line's at Bathurst with a 62-car grid, and I'm going to race all these amazing people from around Australia for the Dunlop Destiny Series. Welcome to Bathurst Mount Panorama. National World Champion ×1, Tyler Collins, mate.
Second time at Bathurst for the 86s, XLs here.
Your car looks hot.
The Dunlop stickers, they're sticking out, so thanks Dunlop. But yeah, we've gone matte this year, got rid of the gloss, switch it up. Hopefully it's a bit quicker on the straights.
It's gonna be hard to clean that shit though. Damn right.
Yep, damn straight. You know, looks over anything else really. Any dents would be very detrimental to my mental health.
Where's the panel damage from last round? Where's the panel damage?
Oh, there's a bit on the back, but not that bad.
Do you like getting rear-ended?
Not really.
No, clearly not. Rinaldi. Why 155?
Oh, mate. I was 55, but someone stole my number. Just added a
Dog, mate. Just take the 2 5s off, and then you got a 1. That's what we need to make happen.
Yeah. He's got 1 at the moment.
National champion.
No.
Tell us how hard it was to win a national championship.
Oh, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's just a day in the life, to be honest.
I can't put stickers on a car. I don't know what I'm doing, but this guy here, Smick and Smuck.
Yeah, no, I watched you struggling, mate. It was painful for me to watch, so I had to come over.
Jacob's another SA guy. Obviously, it's a massive field. You haven't raced half these people. I mean, what are we expecting for the weekend?
I don't know. I'm just hoping for a top 10.
You know what they say? If you get a top 10, then you'll get a 10.
Yeah, exactly.
All right?
Exactly.
Absolute geezer. Alan, what are you up to, brother?
I'm helping Matt fix the sign that he can't do himself.
And how does it feel to be a pit crew for Matt Tatani?
Well, I'm just helping out Matt Tatani. I'm here for Bengalia, you know.
You guys are no one wants to help me.
Just hanging around.
What did you finish in practice 1?
21st.
56th.
26th.
62nd. Are you happy?
Very happy.
Bullshit, you're lying.
No, we can always go fast.
That's right. Now take note, practice 1 times are important because practice 2's timing system failed and then qualifying, well, it got red flagged. So we had to start from our practice 1 positions. This has never happened before to me. It was pretty weird.
Mate, it's just not been a good day, to be honest. We've just seen the results come out from qualifying and we didn't get our timed lap in, so looks like we're starting out at P6 for race 1, so...
Dude, P6 is good.
Oh no, not P6, P56. P56, yeah.
That is shocking.
5 in front of it, so yeah. We had the pace to be in just outside the top 20 just then, so that was an improvement from yesterday. And
talking to Steve, how does this make you feel, Steve?
No comment, to be very, very honest, Mr. Dusty. It's a frustrating weekend.
I'm going to show you guys Tyler Collins. I'm in the garage again, mate. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Let's see your back. Let's see your back. Oh, he's getting dirty. Oh my God, this guy's a AAA engineer mechanic once in his life or something. Stone brother. I used to get stoned as well, mate. Tell me about it. Any quotes for young drivers that want to get into motorsport?
Go hard or go home.
And sometimes the blue pill does work, my friends. So that's one from Tyler there. He's a very talented Queenslander. I don't know, there's no one here now. We've just done qualifying. No one wants to talk to me. Maybe I should start looking at my data, hey?
A few inches later.
Fucking meow!
That was Amazing. Okay, I finished 31st. Only a couple moves. Big deal. I had fun. You got to be patient here.
I hit the wall coming out of Forest Elbow. Very dark about it. It actually flat wheeled it on both wheels, and I'm that much left hand down for the whole race.
Holy shit.
Yes, so it washed the speed off a little bit. Folded my mirror in. I've got a little bit of a souvenir there.
I actually saw you push a mirror out.
You did? Yeah. It's talent. Not many people can do it.
Last question, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. A rub down would be good, but apart from that, yep.
What happened?
No confidence.
What happened?
Shunts.
Shunts and punts. No matter what car you're racing, this place is amazing. In the sunset, 62 car grid, just sending it down the hill, there's nothing more I could ask for. We were slowly building up our confidence and pace over the second race, but unfortunately it wouldn't last. The first safety car of the weekend was about to come out. Well, there was a big rollover. Luckily, the driver was okay. However, on the safety car restart, every driver ahead of me decided to brake late, and I had nowhere to go. Now, with safety car restarts, you cannot overtake until the checkered flag line, and this gave me a massive penalty afterwards. There was another accident, and we finished under safety car. I got a 30-second penalty, and that put me down quite a bit. You're sitting on top of a bin. I got a penalty yesterday. I'm right back where I started, guys, but it's the last day at Bathurst. I spent the most of it. It's Easter, and it's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. I'm used to the cold now, guys. Let's go. Race 3 did not last long. One of my close mates, Ashton Catch, was in a pretty bad accident, which resulted in a car pile-up. Now, this footage is from my friend Brody because my GoPro stopped working, but I was pretty surprised there was no yellow flags at the top of the hill. Luckily, everyone came out pretty unscathed. Were you in front of that massive shunt?
I was, yes. I remember coming out of Forest Elbow, and when they're calling the red flag, I looked behind me, and there was just a massive gap, and I'm like, oh no, something's bad.
Dude, 10 cars piling up, and anyone that was behind someone in front of them broke late, and they would avoid it, and then the next minute there's a big wall of cars, XLs, and I heard it was massive. You could barely get through. So I don't know how I made it unscathed, but that was
You did well. I don't know if they'll call that a race.
Nah, I don't reckon, because it was like under 50%.
Yeah.
But you know, it counts.
Yeah.
That overall though, Bathurst experience, for me personally, I loved it, but I'm so annoyed about the safety cars and red flags.
Yeah.
It kills me every time.
That's just XLs, you know. But you know, it was good because if we had the same laps we had last year, we probably would have got no running. So it's good we had these 30-minute races. So they've done well on that. But you know, just XLs.
So end of the day, I just want to say from me and Tyler, not the way we wanted to finish. Hope everyone's okay from the crash, and there's more XLs out there. Thank you for watching. Tyler, where can we find your socials?
Tyler Collins Motorsport. Go to tylercollinsmotorsports.com.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're going to do Bathurst, let us know. We'll see you here in 2025. Mwah.
Mwah.